in the southeast of Nigeria, in the land called the salt of the nation, stands a city built on rice, Abakaliki. At the heart of this city lies the Abakaliki rice mill.
So today we are in Abakaliki, capital state of Ebonyi. So here is a rice mill located in the capital.
Every year, this mill processes over 130,000 tons of rice, feeding homes across the country and contributing nearly 2% of Nigeria's total rice consumption. But beyond the figures lies the true heartbeat of the mill. Generations of families who have made rice not just a livelihood, but a way of life.
Yeah, KCC rice, the main primary production, KCC here, is near no common to this level.
Yeah, man, over Jamba. Yeah, but I wish we could tell you.
Yeah.
But can you
Kenka would drone. All right.
You can't drum. The Kurere Shiele drum. Again, Ankata could be a real. You carry out. I've been working place. I share the first one. I am cheap.
Okay, I wrap the following day.
Okay. Following day. I did Russia. Okay. The year
Another water. Wow.
If Burun Crebo,
there's half water.
Okay. The drum on the airport. No, Chineke, Shana, Shifana. I have now wish the young Jesus.
Yeah, and serious Boribo. Wow.
She got the corner at Abasai. Abasai Kayon. Then I was Basari. I want me the Reki.
So, Nina America just wait to the rice.
I had the 4 digits.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Here, the sound of engine blends with the rhythm of hands at work. Dust, sweat, and patience give birth to polished grains. Prove that Nigeria can feed itself.
Let's go.
Okay. Engine arubu maka distoni.
Okay.
Emi adi distoni wole ewo fun kawo fun oku. So I want kwa machine gide akwachi after distoni.
Okay.
Akwachi
Akwachicha ya wezi ni yozo na. So ya machine nka kita na ukiji make distoni. Oku ayamo okute. Then Kebe, okay, ebe nka webe rice sapa.
Eba.
Okay.
Eba ya unye rice.
Okay, unye rice eba. Sapa ta sele. Wow. Mon nim dali o. After rice there. I can say mayor to this level.
I'm Bogonna, but here you Marum Borasco. My name is Kobo. My real name is Ogon now.
Are you playing? Yeah, what type of plane is this?
I in a scene now with me. Oneko. I honor any how rice. All right, see, Kobu House.
Yes.
Wow. Ugo House na Neden Miri. So you have been an rice, couldn't hear device. You require the sake of GK because rice equal. Above in rice quick about where.
Yes.
Because all rice equal be Ebonyi State. So,
okay. That's in Kakate. And where I say, Mara, they also you come where rice, windows on where rice.
I see many places a bitter rice. I see cross river, see Ugo not a bitter rice.
Okay.
But now equal with the best rice.
You come with the best rice.
Yes.
Wow.
So, how many go rice equal? Man, even when you get a yourself, or organize our see and or command butter.
CP because I
I
don't
wear
make
CP, wear mass, wear R8.
Okay.
But the best rice is CP.
CP. All right.
Yes.
All right.
So mass is half a corner.
Okay. Like you make it one you're gonna need bushel more. You can say area.
Rice is a steady price.
Okay.
Onwe mgbe ga-abụ ịbịakwa ọbịaru gị ego. Onwe mgbe ga-abụ ịbịa ọnọrụ 20 something thousand, 30 something thousand. But as of now, rice no all the okay for now. Price ya dị okay.
Right.
Nna ayọkwa everybody ka abịa na-atụnyere anyị. Because rice anyị bụ the best rice. Ị na-anya ịfụkwa nna chọp ị nọkwanụ bụ ebe a na-edistribute rice.
Okay.
Ebe ebe ahụ Commodore Investments.
Commodore Investment. Wow. So viewers, you can come and patronize him. He has the best rice in AI. You call us to be precise. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Abakaliki meal is the living engine of that dream, creating jobs, reducing hunger, and strengthening food security.
This is the funnel.
Okay,
Where you pour the rice.
All right.
This is ground rice.
Wow. This
one
right?
is pounded. They have not made this one. So it will now enter here. This is the destoning.
Okay, this is stoning.
Yes.
All right.
Look at where the stone come from. This is the stone. Here.
Okay, this is dust.
Yes, both stone and dust
Okay.
come out from this place.
All right.
So it will now enter here now.
Okay.
Here is the milling machine.
Yeah.
It will mill from here. Then it enters here. This place will now separate the chaff.
The chaff and the rice.
The rice.
Wow. Wow.
It will come out from this place now. Look at where the chaff come from.
Yeah.
The chaff will now enter here. Pass through the pipe. This pipe now. Out from the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, this is where the chaff is coming from.
Look at that. This place chaff will enter here and pass out from that pipe.
Wow.
Rice is coming out from this place.
Okay.
The main rice is coming out.
Okay, this is main rice here.
Yes.
But this one is colored. How? Why?
This is called diabetes rice.
Okay, diabetes rice.
Yes.
Wow.
This one is for the diabetes.
Wow.
Brown rice. Look at the brown rice here.
You can cook it and eat, right?
Yes.
Wow. That means once you have diabetes, you cook it and eat.
Yes,
Okay.
it's only for them. It's not for everybody.
Wow.
This one is special for the people that have diabetes.
Wow. Yeah, we have a new brown rice. He said it's called diabetes rice and it's brown in color. So if you have diabetes, you can buy this one and cook and you'll be okay. All right. So this engine, what are they for?
This one is sorting machine.
The sorting machine.
It removes the black head.
Wow. Okay. That's good. Wow.
And this place is packaging. It will package your rice.
Okay, this is where you package it
Yes.
in the bag.
Yes.
Wow.
This thing will come out like this.
Okay. Wow. Thank you. So what's the name of this company?
This is Osikapa.
Sorry?
Osikapa
Osikapa
company.
Company. Wow. I love this name. Osikapa Company in Igbo. Wow. Nice one. So viewers, this is Osikapa Company. So where you can get your brown rice and
White rice also.
and white rice as
With
well. You
salt
can
and polish.
wow. You can get everything here from production till finishing. So you can get everything here. The brown rice is also called diabetes rice and you can also get white rice as well. So just the name that's giving me joy, Osikapa Company. So sorry, ma, can we know your name?
My name is Bambless.
Bambless. Wow. So as that means we are going to go with one bag of rice now. Even if it's brown rice, give
Yes,
us one.
yes.
All right. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. Nka ị na-eme kịta ka ihe afọ m ka ị na-eme tren na ka ihe dị ya.
Anyị kote ihe a. Anyị bunye elu. Ba ebupu ya. Bupụta ya. Ihe nriri rice adị ya na. Anyị ya ijiri ya na. Anyị kporukwa dust adị.
Okay, ya nke a na-apụta nke ikuku na-ebupụ na dust ya. Then nke na-abịa ebe a wụ rice. So me here na kita rice ama akwa ya. So ya wụ esucha rice na engine. Esucha rice na dust ahụ na-apụta na engine. Rice na-eso ya apụta.
Buno dust. No rice. Oh ya na-eso we dust.
Okay, nwokpeja. Okay, nke na-eme kita nwokpeja. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Engine na kushire kushi. Oshinanya ma
okay. Nwa mommy mekele ka ifu kesi eme ya. Kene.
Abakaliki rice, born of the land, sustained by the people, feeding a nation, building a future.
Okay, here comes the end. So we've gone around the whole rice mill. Oh, so tired. Spare me. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and post. Subscribe, bro. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We love you. Bye bye.